Good morning and welcome to this episode. If that's a new episode, I don't know yet. So I packed all my things. I will get my motorcycle now. It's in the parking garage here of this hotel, and actually this hotel is a hotel and a casino. And the parking was free of charge. Yeah, very welcome. The guy who helped me here, he said South Albania is very nice. They have really great beaches. And then I told him, yeah, that's where I'm heading. Yeah, I would say goodbye Tirana, or goodbye after the next petrol stop here. Oh, this is so loud. Why is this necessary? These traffic lights are fascinating. Couldn't be more obvious. I think people in the past, they just disregard. So this is really hard not to see. 3, 2, 1. Hello, finally out of the town. It took a while. And now we are on the road SH3. We, obviously, Kalle and me. Yeah, it's high up in the mountains already. I didn't film the climbing up because covered by trees, everything. But now that's our view here. I can't really enjoy that today because the engine light is turning on. The warning light. I can't feel any difference. And I learned in the past from Triumph that it could be just like a small thing. So the next inspection is around the corner anyway. And I'm very hopeful that it's just turning off after a while. I got good news and bad news. Good news is the engine light, the orange engine light is off. I'm so much more relaxed now. The bad news is I have to go to the maintenance of the motorbike in around 800 kilometers. So it's probably killing one day Albania here because I can't go to the east. So I will go straight down to the southwest, where I actually wanted to go anyway. I don't know how flexible Triumph is if I'm exceeding the scheduled maintenance kilometer. In case there's something warranty technical thing happening. So yeah, I prefer to stick to the. I mean, if they're like 1 or 200 kilometers over, shouldn't be a problem, I guess. Oh. But if they're 500 kilometers over or so, that might be a bit tricky if I need the Triumph warranty for whatever happens. So yeah, I'm going to Patras in Greece, but that will take probably, I believe it's 3 days tour, still on the SH3. Now we got view on the left side, right side no view anymore, but there was for a short while view on both sides, also very nice. Haven't had this for a long time. Oh, here's the view on the left and on the right side. It's left and right, left and right. It didn't exchange that much cash. I got cash yesterday, a bit more, but I took €100, and yeah, with the charges of the ATM bank, it's 120. So 20%. I don't know how much they charge in the exchange, but I only have a limited amount of euro with me. So if I need to draw euro in Greece, for example, there will be also charges. I don't know how much. Hopefully not 20%. This 20% is like €7 was a fixed price of sale, I think, and the rest is the exchange rate. Yeah, 20% just lost to the bank. Okay, that was a complaint. Usually I'm not complaining, but that was definitely a complaint. 20% is too much. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, relax, relax. I'm not eating goats. That's a nice road here. Going left and right for quite some time. Yeah, hey, we got a bit of off-roading here. Off-road fun. That's the main road. Ay, okay. Well, luckily it's only 37 degrees now, so it's not too cold here. But this is exhausting stuff here. Oh, nice shadow. I need a short break here. Actually, it's nice view. It looks a bit like Tuscany. Very nice. So let's continue the ride. I just wrote an email to Triumph and Patras asking for new tires and the scheduled maintenance. And I do hope they have time in 3 or 4 days when I arrive there. It's always much more bumpier and rougher than it looks on camera. It's a bit difficult to film it or from this perspective. Wow, okay, that's interesting development here. Oop. That's the main road here, still considered main road. Oop. So we made it. Color, I'm proud of you. Yeah. That's so fun. I like these small parts, short. It was not that short. Yeah, that's a bit of difference from time to time. Not so difficult. Ruga van Noli with RRGA, Ruga van Noli. This road, it reminds me so much of Tuscany. They don't have these typical Tuscany buildings, these Italian Mediterranean buildings, houses, sorry. But other than this, it's the hills, the olive trees. It looks like perfect lined up. Not bad at all, this area here. Oh, there's a cypress tree, slightly bended from the wind. This is a cemetery, and I feel this looks so maintained. And it's fake flowers. Okay, but it looks so nice, so beautiful, so colorful. Some even have a roof, a glass roof. Wow. And they don't know what to do with trash. Just try to get one of these, or half of these. There's already cut watermelon. It is already cut, but he said no. So we are going left. No one really knows the traffic rules here. It's different every time. Hello. No update for a long time. I found a camping ground. Mark already said it has beach, because that's the Albanian Riviera. Albanian Riviera. Difficult word. Yeah. They have washing machine, so I will wash my motorcycle things. It's dirty and maybe I even can smell it a bit. Yeah, it's time to wash. That's what I will do, and I hope it's dry until tomorrow. If not, we got 40 degrees almost today. It was 37, 38 or so at the peak. So that will dry my dress, worst case, tomorrow while riding. And sticking the new dust better, doesn't matter. It needs to be washed better now than later. Yeah. The route today was just okay. the things that you saw, the Tuscany kind of thing, and before the pass road was good. Other than this, there was like lots of little towns. It was like little town after town after town, so there was no real countryside anymore. Yeah, but this is how it is. I had to cancel one stop to go to Patras a bit, not earlier, but within the kilometer range that I still have before the scheduled maintenance inspections. Okay, I'll just wash my dress, then find some food later. It shouldn't be difficult. By the way, this camping ground is 10 euro per night, a reasonable price. They have bathroom, they have shower, they have washing machine, they have beach, and yeah, it looks clean, so all good. 10 euro, very good price. Washing was success, but I did not have any detergent. But hey, it still looks good. Look at this, it's so much cleaner now. This also. So I think the rest will be dry by later. I will get some dinner now. Hopefully salad. I miss my salad, honestly. I really like that, but they don't really sell it here, so I need to get some ingredients for this. Beautiful good morning. That was a restful night. I packed already. I talked for an hour to Sven. Sven also here, or he already left on this from this camping ground. German dude. Yeah, very interesting to talk to strangers sometimes. Yeah, Sven has a story to tell. So yeah, this is the camping ground here. It's relatively big, and there's the ocean. I didn't swim because I don't really like the beach here. Let me show you. It's not so bad, but yeah, I will swim today because I'm actually not so sure where my route goes. Wait, maybe I'll take a shower this evening. So, but it's the South Albanian Sea here. However, I'm heading to the next, it's a 2 hours ride to this off-road track that I want to use today. This one will be 40 kilometers. Actually, I think it was, if I remember correctly, it's going to the sea. So maybe I will jump into the sea later today. And if not, then yeah, then not. There we are on the road. We need to head back for a few kilometers because there's a road missing. It's probably some mountains in between. So we need to head back and then go down, or otherwise we would start at the end of the road, which I don't want because I want to go near the sea today in the evening. Oh, but that's the beach here. The water is relatively blue, except for here in the front it's a bit brownish. Oh, look at the water here. Doesn't look too bad. Now I'm in the riding mood first. Beach break later. After the off-road, I just checked the map. The off-road road, gravel road leads to the beach. 40 kilometers. This road is SH76, heading south in Albania. Actually, I think it's already considered South Albania, but heading more south. And the road that I wanted to take is somewhere there and then going right to the sea, direction sea. And this mountain range is between this road and the sea, but there is no road crossing the mountains. That's why I had to turn back first, go back a bit, and now heading to the starting point for, I won't say for today, but for the gravel road or off-road or whatever it is, I don't know yet. It's considered as easy riding, the track, according to the book. And the last one was also considered easy riding, but turned out differently later. Ooh, I'm hungry and it's just too slow. Okay. Yeah, so I will see. If not, then I'll turn back again and use the normal road to Patras. I can't make it today to Patras, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days. I will see. No pressure. Today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday anyway, so they won't open, the tram service won't open tomorrow. I'm in this little village called, I don't know, KU, and it's a C with the 5, like the French C or so. One of the French C's. It's already on the track, but the off-road is starting there. 40 kilometer to go. Oh no, wait, it's 18 kilometer only, eh? I thought it's 40. Oh, okay, then you can see we are heading to near the beach. So Borsch is the target, the destination, so even the target. And I have done already quite a bit. And then once arrived, it's probably 1 p.m. and then we will decide, Kalle and me, how to continue with that day. I do not have any expectation, so I won't be disappointed. I just bought in this little village more water and food for the case of emergency. I mean, it's not 40 kilometers, it's just 18, but it's still worst case 9 kilometer walking if anything goes wrong. Whoop. Hi. Hi. People are greeting. I don't know what the guys greeting. It's so nice in Albania. And if it's too easy, then it's also not fun, eh? So we need a bit of a challenge from time to time. Wow, these are like huge rocks in between. Yeah? I'm not so sure if it goes up somewhere because we started on quite a high elevation. So maybe it's just going down. I find up is always a bit more difficult because you need speed. Okay, it is going up here, quite steep indeed. But not much. Okay, here. Wow, look at the view here. Oops. Oh, focus on the road. It's becoming more difficult now and more easy. Oh, chicken. So we are going straight. I think I need a short break here, somewhere in the shadow. So it's half time, 9 kilometer left. 9 kilometer done, 22 minutes. If it stays like this, I mean, here houses what could be. Oh, there's a donkey. Hello, donkey. An interesting situation right now. I was drinking and eating something, and I thought, let's check where exactly I am. It's like this. Okay. Then I thought, let's double check on the OSM and Osman app how it's there, and it's like this. So the red track is the line that I should have taken, and we are here. So I guess I missed a turn here. Oops. But no regrets. Yeah, maybe this one is even better, I don't know. So let's continue the ride. The surface is relatively hard not hard. How to say this in English? Festgefahren. So it's used. So it's because of cars are driving here. It's relatively hard. So it's not too loose. Actually, because it's so soft here, I need to go faster, but I cannot because it's steep going down, and then it won't brake in case I need to brake. Yeah, it's a tricky thing here. Hello. Hello. Hello, please get out of my way. Okay. Danke. More. Later today I will watch this video and then enjoy the views. Yeah. Need to focus too much on the road. That was fun. GPS saying 2.3 kilometer. Okay, I'll go there first. Oh my God, ey, verdammter Hund. Okay, it was not the end. 2 kilometer left. That's interesting here. I'm very surprised that there are no bikers here. And I saw one today. One. And not even on this, it was on the way to the scene. Oh, but there are German cars here. Flensburg. Why is he driving on the left side? Flensburg people should know that. Okay, I set the destination Patras, which is in Greece, but I asked the GPS to follow the coastal road here, and then it's going back or what, but actually there's a ferry. SH8. Can't really see. Yeah, nice here. Tuscany Hills. Actually, there's a happening that I didn't experience for so many days here. I almost forgot how it is. If you look up on the sky, there's this white and grayish things. I didn't see that for so many days, but it feels so good. The temperature dropped not at all. It's still 35 degrees, but no sun. It's already so much better. I won't say refreshing, just better. A situation occurred that the drone dropped and it's somewhere in the bush and I have no idea where. So I'll try to find the way down. It must be somewhere this direction. So according to the remote, we are heading the correct direction. There's fence everywhere, so maybe I need to find people and ask if I can step over the fence. Oh, that is so annoying. Why does it just drop? I don't understand that. Oh, that's a long way. That's nice, yeah. And we are within reach, so I can ask to make peep sound already. Oh, but I can't hear it. It's so expensive. How does this happen? Quick update. I couldn't get the drone. It's super steep here in the bush and there's no way through. Really annoys me because the obstacle avoidance, maybe the obstacle avoidance didn't work. Yeah, it was crashed into a tree. I'm so careful every time flying this thing. Oh yeah, it is what it is. I'm trying. It's super hot here. Yep, I tried my best. At least what I could do alone. So, so annoying. Yeah, hi. With tent is okay? Tent or hammock? Okay. Oh, perfect. Tent is there. I'm heading into the water now. I tried earlier, but it's really cold. I need to get to this island first or so. It's strong current. But this is so cold. I cannot get on this side because it belongs to a hotel. Why is it so cold? And it's so deep. Oh, I'm freezing. Maybe because I'm so heated up from the day earlier. Oh, the strong current. Look how fast this is here. Look. It's deep. That is refreshing. Now I'm excited about this ocean water. The water from the ocean here. Oh, this is so, I won't say warm, still refreshing, but when I saw the waves are really huge. And I don't think there's a lifeguard here. I'm not sure if I should jump. I need to be a bit careful with the camera because it's not waterproof anymore because I lost the lid on the sides for the USB-C port. I'm not so sure if you can hear me actually. But this is nice waves here. I'll put the camera on my towel and then just go in once. Don't feel really safe here due to big waves and no lifeguard. It's fun, but the waves are really huge, and the current is quite strong. And the thing is, if something went wrong, no one will miss me tonight. At least not here. And here, after a few meters, it's going down deep, so cannot stand there. So I feel it's not worth the danger, sorry. I have to admit, after a while in this river, it's okay. It's not that cold anymore, but there are signs that it's not allowed to swim here because of danger. But I don't say what kind of danger. So yeah, maybe there's the danger of freeze to death or so. It was a refreshing experience. It's 5:20 now. I'm heading to the supermarket. Get some, I don't know what I have, salad. I think it's the same as yesterday. I didn't record yesterday. I made myself bruschetta on bread. Oh, it's so windy. My hair is messed up. It's messed up anyway. So I'm back from shopping. I got tomato, baguette, banana, lemon and juice, smoothie. So what I did is exactly the same like yesterday, but without oil, because the good oil from Andreas is empty. Yesterday it was just a bit left. So today it's oilless food. I could buy something, but I don't trust it here. And if Andreas sees what kind of oil I buy here, I don't want to cause any heart attack, okay? So I'll buy olive oil in Greece. I will be there tomorrow, latest Monday I will get some good stuff. So other than this, it's kind of bruschetta. I put this I cut it already. Just tomato, garlic and onion and herbs. And I put it on my bread as usual and then eat it as a bruschetta. I know it doesn't look very convincing. Let's say convincing. But it's as simple as it is, it's so good. Tomato, some herbs, garlic and onion. And I got this amazing view here. Look at this. Between my hammock and my towel, I mean, okay.